Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a waffle, only way. Whisk flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt in a bowl until even. In a separate bowl, beat the egg, stir in milk and melted butter. Combine wet and dry ingredients with a few gentle strokes until mostly smooth and slightly lumpy for tender waffles. Let batter rest 5 minutes while the waffle iron heats for best rise and texture. Preheat your waffle iron to medium-high so the exterior crisps while the inside stays tender. Lightly grease the plates with melted butter or neutral oil before each waffle for a golden crust and easy release. Use a tablespoon of batter to test temperature. If it browns too fast, lower the heat; too slow, raise it. Pour full batter amounts only when temperature is stable to ensure even cooking. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: the Waffle water bottle keeps water cold for hours and fits neatly beside your waffle station, perfect for staying hydrated while you cook. Its leak-proof lid makes flipping grids less stressful. Check the description for the link and other deals, grab one if you want, and now let's get back to the video. Pour batter into the center of the iron, spreading gently toward the edges while avoiding overflow. Close the lid and let the waffle cook undisturbed until steam mostly stops and the surface is crisp and golden brown. Use a thin spatula to remove the waffle and place it on a rack to stay crisp. Avoid stacking to prevent sogginess. Repeat and adjust heat slightly if waffles are browning unevenly for consistent results.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.